Hello students, today we will learn about the deadlock. Deadlock in DBMS. In database management system, deadlock is a situation where processes are in a condition where none of them can be processed. You can see here the process 1 and process 2, and there are some resources, resource 1 and resource 2. So there is a situation in which the processes cannot proceed further and they are in a halting state. This is known as deadlock. So here we can see in the DBMS, in database management system, in the term of process we use transaction, and here the transaction T1 and transaction T2. So transaction T1 is waiting for unlocking the resources by T2, and T2 is waiting for the transaction T2 to release some lock on the resources. So there is a circular waiting condition between the processes, and we can say between the transactions. So this is known as deadlock situation. So deadlock in DBMS is in database management system. In the database, a deadlock is an unwanted situation in which two or more transactions are waiting indefinitely for one another to give up locks. Deadlock is said to be one of the most feared complications in DBMS, as it brings the whole system to a halt, in a halt condition. Example, let us understand the concept of deadlock with an example. Suppose transaction T1 holds a lock on some rows in the student table and needs to update some rows in the grades table. Simultaneously, transaction T2 holds locks on those very rows which T1 needs to update in the grade tables, but it needs to update the rows in the student table which is halted by the transaction T1. So now the main problem arises. Transaction T1 will wait for the transaction T2 to give up locks, and similarly transaction T2 will wait for the transaction T1 to give up locks. Both are holding the different tables like grade table and student table, and each transaction needs both tables at the same time. This can't be possible. So as a consequence, all activity comes to a halt and remains a standstill forever unless the DBMS detects the deadlock and abort one of the transaction to remove or to release these locks and to recover from this deadlock situation. Here we can see there is a transaction T2 and the transaction T1 and transaction T2. So we can see here the transaction T1 is holding the student table and transaction T2 is holding grade table, but the transaction T1 is requesting for grade table and transaction T2 requesting for student table, where the both tables are holding by different transaction, like student table is holding by T1 and the grade is holding by T2. But when the T2 is holding grade, T1 is want at the same time grade table. It is requested for the grade table. So in this view, both the transactions are requesting the tables which are used by the another transaction, another processor, and in this way there is a circular waiting condition. There arise some circular waiting condition in which none of them transaction can proceed. So this is known as deadlock. So deadlock is a situation where set of processes are blocked because each process is holding a resource and waiting for another resource acquired by some other process. Consider an example when two trains are coming towards each other on the same track, and there is only one track. So in this case, none of the trains can move once they are in front of each other. Similar situation occurs in operating systems when there are two or more processes hold some resources and wait for resources held by others. So in this case, a situation arises in which all the transactions are in a circular waiting condition, and in this case none of them can proceed further, so this is known as the deadlock situation. For example, in the below diagram, in the next diagram, we can see the process 1 is holding resource 1 and waiting for the resource 2, which is acquired or held by the process 2, and the process 2 is waiting for resource 1, this one. Here there are the two process 1 and process 2, and there are two resources, resource 1, resource 2, where the resource 1 is assigned to process 1, means it is acquired by the process 1, and the resource 2 is assigned to process 2, but the process 1 is waiting for the resource 2. Here the process 1 is already having the resource 1, but it waiting for the resource 2, which is holded by the process 2, and the process 2, in the same manner as in case of process 1, it is waiting for the resource 1 while it already having the resource 2. So in this case, both the processes are in a waiting condition, in a circular waiting condition, where they are waiting for the resources which is held by the other processes, and none of them can release the resource. So in this case, a situation arises between them is known as the deadlock situation, means उस सिचुएशन में कोई भी प्रोसेस जो होगा वो फर्दर प्रोसीड नहीं हो पाएगा, अपना एग्जीक्यूशन कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाएगा, तो इस सिचुएशन को हम डेडलॉक कहते हैं. इसमें एक सर्कुलर वेटिंग कंडीशन बनती है. सो डेडलॉक कैन अराइज इफ द फॉलोइंग 4 कंडीशंस होल्ड साइमल्टेनियसली. दीज आर द नेसेसरी कंडीशंस फॉर द डेडलॉक. इफ दीज कंडीशंस आर present, then the deadlock will be happen. First is the mutual exclusion. It says one or more than one resource are non-shareable. Only one process can use at a time. Second is hold and wait. A process is holding at least one resource and waiting for the resources. Third is no preemption. A resource cannot be taken from a process unless the process releases the resource. मीन्स जब तक कोई प्रोसेस रिसोर्सेज को रिलीज नहीं करेगा तब तक कोई भी प्रोसेस जो होगा वो रिसोर्सेज को एक्वायर्ड नहीं कर पाएगा. एंड द फोर्थ कंडीशन इज सर्कुलर वेट. ए सेट ऑफ प्रोसेसेस आर वेटिंग फॉर ईच अदर टू रिलीज सम रिसोर्सेज इन सर्कुलर फॉर्म लाइक दिस. इसमें प्रोसेस 1 और प्रोसेस 2 जो है वो रिसोर्सेज के रिलीज होने का वेट कर रहे हैं, बट इन सर्कुलर वे में, इस सर्कुलर वे में वो वेट करें. तो अगर ये कंडीशन भी होती है तो उस केस में भी डेडलॉक अराइज होगा. सो दिस इज द बेसिक एग्जांपल ऑफ द डेडलॉक इन डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, वेयर द ट्रांजेक्शंस आर वेटिंग फॉर द रिसोर्सेज और टू एक्शन. Transaction T1 holding student table, but the student table is need by the transaction T2, but it cannot acquire the student table until the transaction T1 will release it. So in this case, a circular waiting condition is arises, and that leads to deadlock situation.